Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question what does archive mean in Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos. So archive in Google Photos hides selected photos. What you just select, I will show you how to do this later. So it hides your photos from the main Photos feed, so from right here. The best one that your items are not deleted. It just you can just find them in the archive folder. Also, archive photos and videos still appears in albums, search result, and storage. So it's a good one. Now, how to add them to archive? You need to select one photo or multiply photos. Then, right here at the bottom, scroll and you need to find Move to Archive. If you want to select only one photo, just enter in this photo, then 3 dots, and click the archive here. So, okay, let's do with this photo, archive. And let's also do this with multiply photos. Move to archive. Okay, now you need to go to collections, and right here you have these photos. This folder is not locked like with the locked photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!